Do you have loose curls? And barbers always leave you with a rat's nest on top. Or worse, they cut the sides too short and leave you with the landing strip. To avoid both of those, first I set the shape on the side to have a foundation for the curls to lay on. Then I trim the top, making sure to leave enough length that it still curls up. And lastly, I style you up with the diffuser and bam, this is the finished cut. If you're in South Florida and need your curls done right, hurry and click that link in my bio. And when you get home, your girl will have you up all night.
You have a coarse beard like Isaac and you want a nice curve to your lineup, but barbers make it too boxy and square? I prevent this by starting at the sideburn, and I have him puff his cheek out so I can establish the line at the bottom. I stretch his skin as I meet those 2 points in the middle, and watch this. And I line as curvy as a chick. Nah, but if you need this service, I'm in the Pittsburgh area. Hit that link in my bio to book your appointments, and let's create your look.
My client pays me $145 to fix his hairline. As you see here, he's got a weird growth pattern and we don't want him looking like this. So I slightly push him back just a little bit to give him a straight lineup, lay it down with some red alert, and here's it naturally crispy. And then I put some enhancement on there, still looking crispy. Here I wanted to show you guys the finer details of the haircut. So let me know what you guys think about this cut in the comments below.
How to do a back taper. First step, make your bald line right at the bottom of the ear. Then clean it up using your shavers, flicking out about an inch below what you just did. With your 1.5 guard all the way open, set a foundation and blend into the top of the hair. Now take your clipper blade open and create another guideline about an inch above the bald line. Close it halfway and start to remove that line. Now close it all the way and remove the line completely. With your one guard closed, create another guideline about a ½ inch above what you just did. Now open the one guard all the way and start blending into the 1½ open that you created previously. Now take your half guard halfway open and flick at that line in between the one closed and the clipper open. Now with the clipper blade only, we're going to use lever play, opening and closing the lever as needed to remove any dark spots that we see. This is the finished cut. I just want to say thanks for watching, and if you got any value from this video, do me a solid and share it with a friend who you think it would help too. Peace. Kevin has a slanted hairline and a cowlick to make it even worse. To fix this, I comb out the baby hair and hit it with some hairspray to lock it in. Then I line it up on the low side first to avoid pushing it back. Then match it up on the other side. His left corner was pushed back a bit, so I blend it back in and give him that razor finish to get it extra sharp. Here was his hairline before and after. This is a shower-proof cut, meaning no enhancements, so what you see is what you get. If you're in Vegas and you like what you see, hit that link in my bio and book your appointment with me. Peace. My guy Kevin has light corners. To combat this, I cut down the hair in the middle of his hairline to make it look even all the way through. Then I hit it with some hairspray to lock the hair in place and continue to line it up as sharp as naturally possible. Then I comb the hair out and line it up again to make sure there's no overhanging hairs. Here's what his hairline looked like before and after. This cut has no enhancements, so if you're in Vegas with the same issue, click that link in my bio and I'll get that fixed for you. Peace.
Guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, turn on the post notification to get update for every new upload.